Hi, Forever Runners. This is Herb, the Forever Runner, and I just wanted to hop on real quick to share with you a great find that I just made. For last few years here up in the Pacific Northwest, whenever I deal with snow, either hiking, running, or after ski use, I've been using my waterproof Ultra Lone Peaks for that, and they work really good for keeping your feet dry, running around the snow and snowshoeing and stuff like that. But I was looking around on REI and ran into the new Xero Alpine snow boot, and these things are the bombers. I immediately picked up a pair, and here's why I think they're so cool. First of all, Xero shoes are kind of like Ultra shoes, where they are a zero drop shoe, and they have a wide toe box so that your feet can splay out and act more natural. The other thing about Xero shoes is they have a thinner sole, so you can feel the ground better. And imagine this. Here's a snow boot, and can you do that with yours? This thing is very light. At my size, 9.5, it's like under 15 ounces. So it's very light. It's got a great traction. These chevron lugs give you great traction. You've got great feel because of the flexibility and the wide toe box. And you get a great fit because the lacing system goes through these side straps that automatically tighten the top part of the boot without restricting your toes and the way you react on the ground. So these things fit really nice, and you can really feel the ground. Now, the other thing about them is inside the insole here actually has heat reflective material on it and a little cushioning. So it gives you a little bit of thermal protection along with cushioning, for being out there in the cold and in the snow. Then there's an inner waterproof liner throughout the whole shoe. This is a waterproof shoe, and it's got gusseted tongue. So what that means is the top of the tongue comes way up here, so water can't get in up above that level. And right at the very top of the shoe, it's fuzzy, so it's pretty comfortable to put on. These things feel great when you put them on. They're waterproof. They're perfect for hiking around in the snow, snowshoeing, and after ski wear. And I'd highly recommend to get them. And I'll put a link down in the description for the link at REI. That's where I got them. I don't get anything from it, but I think these things are really cool, and they go along with my whole philosophy on natural running. And if you want to learn more about how to run without getting injured, I'll put a link to my video above, the 3 steps to run without being injured. So anyway, check these out. Check out the video. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.